Kids, you have to learn all this from them. They will always smile for all the stupidest things. That's how you should be, actually. Hello. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing. When will you say great? At least say great. Okay, so the thing is, you need 24 hours of gap between a workout to workout. Last night I did like proper intense hardcore workout, and it's not yet 24 hours now. So morning I got up at 8 o'clock. Basically she woke me up, and by 9 o'clock I was ready. Wore all my gym gear. Over all my gym gear, and I was ready to go to the gym, but then I realized it's not even 24 hours since I hit the gym. That is the reason I was feeling a little bit lazy, lethargic, sleepy. So I decided, let's skip the gym for now, though I was ready with everything. Plan is to go in the evening today, but then there is another complication with that. If I go in the evening, again tomorrow also I have to go in the evening because 24 hours gap. I want to skip the gym today. I want to skip the gym today, and tomorrow morning I'll go to the gym directly, so that day after tomorrow also early morning I can go to the gym, so that in case I have to go in the evenings out, I can still go out. Otherwise a gym ke chakkar mein I'll not be going out if I have some work, right? And what are you up to, dude? Do something interesting for the audience, except hitting me like that. Like I told you, Naisha is gonna be in most of our vlogs from now onwards, at least for the next 4 to 5 days, because Pooja is busy working, work from home. Hamara work from home to chalega, but she needs to concentrate properly, and there'll be a lot of meetings and all that, Skype calls. So dad duties, #dad duties. Okay, we both can work together, no problem. We have something unboxing also today, once again. If you look at this desk closely, there are a couple of things missing on it from a long time. See, slowly I started upgrading all my equipment. For example, now I have the best camera on the planet, Sony a7S III. I mean, nothing can beat it in the current market. Pretty expensive, but totally justified. The one which is not justifying its prices, the mic. No, it is good, but not worth 28,000 rupees. Anyways, forget of the mic. Yeah. Now we got it. We have to live with it. So we have upgraded the laptop to the best. Our next generation ke liye I'm waiting. We'll be doing that. See, all this work, all the hard work that I do is to invest in myself, in my passions. Bike is delayed for the next 2 to 3 months, at least 3 months I'm thinking. So next upgrade is, I wanted to get a big editing monitor here.
नाइशू, पापा का सॉरी बोलो, पापा को सॉरी बोलो, पापा को सॉरी बोलो, सॉरी बोलो.
Now, because we have at least 3 months for the next bike, I thought at least we'll upgrade my equipment, where I spend almost like 95% of my time editing, vlogging, doing all my primary work. So, oh yes, that is a 27-inch LG UHD. I don't know what does that mean. Amazon and other YouTube videos, it has the best reviews. It suits the MacBook Pro perfectly, so I thought I'll get it. Literally last night I placed the order, and today morning it is here. Amazon, you rock. So let's unbox this, set it up there, and let's see how comfortable my editing gets. And I think Sriman is on an unboxing spree since recently. That's okay. I never invested on a monitor till date, though my primary work is editing and all that. I think this is a good investment.
As you can see, this is the stand, and these are a couple of wires, power cable. Oh yes, it works on C-type. So this is, I think, okay, this is HDMI cable, and I don't know what cable is this. This is a cable organizer. This is a proper adapter. This is the stem.
This is what I love about Apple, and I hate about any other company. Apple will never make so many cables. They're like literally 4 cables, one chunky huge power adapter. From that you have one more cable, and then you need a C-type. This is where Apple rocks. Chalo, isse zyada nahi bolne ka. Otherwise LG, in case they watch me, in case they have future plans to collaborate with me, they will never collaborate. Sorry LG. But I'll have to accept one thing. I personally feel, if Bose is the best in sound systems, LG is the best in displays, no matter what. Sony is also good, Samsung is also good, but somehow I personally feel LG has that little bit of an edge. Okay, I'll be taking the screen out later. First, let's fix the stand. Heavy, dude. Can kill someone with this. Oh, there's a suspension action in it. I think this is where the screen sits. और इसके नीचे whoa, it's a matte display. That's a huge, dude, for editing. Best part is you see the bezels very small, almost bezel-less. This is how it looks पीछे. Oh, that was so quick. Is it attached? Nice, dude. Oh, it looks nice. So that's how my table looks right now. MacBook is gonna come here. I think it is not perfectly in the center of the table, but this is the best I can get. I like how simple it is just to move the screen up and down with just 2 fingers. And as you can see, the screen is a matte finish, which is a very good thing, because otherwise if it is glossy, there'll be a lot of reflection on it, especially if this window ka reflection will be on this while editing, which is very stressful to your eye. Abhi you can see a little bit of reflection, but that is to do with the camera. Naked eye mein you can't see that much of reflection. This is enhancing all that exposure. Chalo, let me finish the rest of the setup and let's light it up. Chalo, set up everything. This is how it is looking. Only thing is I hate all these wires, dude. I try to hide away all the wires as much as possible, except the C-type cable, because this is what gets connected to the laptop. Let's switch it on. Something's happening. Whoa, it is so vibrant. This is amazing. Oh man, I'm so excited. It looks so different, vibrant and colorful. I'm so excited to edit. This vlog is definitely going to be edited on this big screen, 27 inch. I could get a bigger screen, but I think for my viewing angle, this particular distance, it should be more than 27. 33, 32 is going to be too huge. You need to be searching like that. This is perfecto. Oh yes, now the desk looks good. Of course, I need to clean up all this baby stuff. Really missed this setup all these years. How did I miss it, dude? Next upgrade is that chair. But there is a small problem right now, because you see this? I had to put the MacBook below it because there's no keyboard. If I put the MacBook in front, it's gonna come in between. I put it पीछे, थोड़ा Indian जुगाड़ किया, but you need to close this and then you can work. Problem is, where's the keyboard? We don't have a keyboard. So what I'm trying to do is, for now, I'll not be investing in a keyboard, or will I? Mouse, so we have the Apple mouse, abhi Apple keyboard. No, I'm not doing that. For now, temporarily, I'll be using laptop's keyboard. Only thing is, thoda aisa adjustment karna padega. That's a Final Cut Pro right there. That is Pooja. This is the previous vlog. Look at everything. Look at the same thing here, tiny. Money well spent.
Wow.
How's my setup? New setup?
Yeah, you and Riches. Come.
My throne, my editing throne.
Small party.
My editing throne from now. Now this is my house in the background, but I've never showcased this house like properly. But I've never done a proper house tour. Do you guys want me to do that? Maybe in the next upcoming vlogs I'll do that. But for now I wanted to clarify one thing, because someone asked this question and I also wanted to give some clarity on that. If you see right behind me, this is the main door and this is the side entrance. This is the east side basically. But we always use this because you've been always seeing me coming out of this door. But why, Shriman, why you never use this door? Though this is like a big nice door with nice carving and all that on this. We never use this door because this is the north side of the house, and as per Vastu, it seems, as per Vastu, we shouldn't be using this to enter the house or exit the house. As per Vastu, you have to enter your house or exit your house on the east side. So now you understood, right? Though we have like 2 doors and the main door is that one, but still this ended up being the main door. If you guys remember my previous vlog, I got this kobbari bonda, nariyal, coconut. I was talking about how important it is to hydrate yourself, especially in hot summers like this. It is always advisable to have lots of water, at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day. And if you can include nariyal pani, coconut water, it is very good for your health. Not only it hydrates you, it's got very good electrolytes in it, natural electrolytes. But the complication now is, how do I open this? उन लोग के पास तो वो चाकू रहता, but how do I do this? We have a tiny चाकू like this one. इससे नहीं हो पाएगा. अरे क्या नहीं? Did you see that? That was almost a second fall. Almost fell. I held it. Danger. I think this will take at least 2 years to cut it open. Well, you could bang open the coconut with all your strength and sometimes injure yourself. Or when you have quick solutions, and more specifically if you want to do it comfortably without any efforts, without any strength, why not? Or you just have it with swag. By the way, different people can give me more ideas saying, Sriman, you could have done this instead of using a drill, just for the video effect. Okay, I know there are many ways you can do it. Chill. It's just for the video effect. Okay. Chalo, then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Tata. Hopefully next vlog shouldn't be an unboxing. If the keyboard is really irritating, then maybe that is gonna be the unboxing. Only thing is I have to dig out the money from my savings that I've done, especially for my next bike. If that keeps reducing, then next 2 months may I have to keep filling it up again, working more hard and hard. Let's do it, bro.